Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to be discussing gap trading. As you know, gap trading is by far the single best day trading strategy available in the markets today. The reason why gap trading is so important right now at this point in time is because we're right on the beginning or at the cusp of earnings season. And once we get into earnings season, there's a lot of stocks each and every day as they report earnings either after the bell or before the bell that are gapping up or down as a result of the reaction the stock is having to earnings. So this happens each and every day. In my course at LazyGapTrader.com, I teach a number of things as it relates to gap trading. I teach two specific methodologies. One is the morning gap trades. I'm going to show you one here with Seagate Technologies in a minute. But the second thing is the gap fill trades. And they're two different strategies all taught within the gap trading methodology at LazyGapTrader.com. But what's also important is I teach you exactly how to do it. I teach you which stocks it works the best with. What are the criteria we're looking for in the stocks that we're looking to see specific gap up or gap down at the open? How to trade them, when not to take a trade, how to maximize the profit. All these things are taught in the course and a whole lot more. So what I do is each and every day, I put out a list of my gap trades to members that subscribe to receive my gap trades each and every day. It's a separate service from the course, but I'm happy to offer it with a 2-week trial. So even if at the very least, you can see how powerful these levels are that I provide each and every day, which also is the same thing that's taught in the course. So you can learn how to do this for yourself. You can also get my gap trades each and every day for as long as you want them. It's only a month-to-month service, so you can have it for a month, 6 months, 4 months, anything you like, until you feel comfortable enough that the material in the course is providing you the results you're looking for. So first, before we look at Seagate in particular today and how it traded and where the opportunity was, let's take a look at the email that went out to subscribers before the market even opened at about 9 a.m. this morning. So here it is. I had 3 possible gap trades today, and it's going to pick up speed as we get deeper into earnings season. We just got kicked off this week, so the real heavy lifting isn't going to be until next week. But as you can see, we had Shire, SHPG, Deutsche Bank, DB, and Seagate Technologies, STX. The first two didn't hit their levels, so they become a no trade. We're only interested in stocks that come into the level that A, I teach you how to calculate in the course itself, or B, I've provided for you in my morning gap trades, and they should be the same level for the most part. So with Seagate Technologies, you can see STX, I say gap higher. Resistance levels are $27.94, and I mentioned this is a higher risk level, so you have to know your risk tolerance when you're trading, so I thought that was an important factor that traders needed to know. And the second level was $30.18, and then I provide a stop and a profit target was about 25 to 30 cents. So in the course, I teach you how to trade these, obviously, but let's go ahead and look to see exactly what happened with Seagate right at the opening bell today. So now we've gone down to a 1-minute chart of Seagate Technologies. You can see the trend line running across the screen I put in there, $27.94. And the first candle of the day, this is the first minute of the day, pierced through that level, making a high at $28.13, which was within the stop loss limitation that we specify. So if we enter the trade on the short side at $27.94, you can see here that in the next 1-minute candle of the day, so 1 minute later, the stock was already at a low of $27.59. It was a quick scalp trade. We specified 25 to 30 cents in the email that went out this morning, and the maximum gain today was in fact 35 cents, so it was right on target, second minute into the trading day. In my course, I teach you exactly how to do this for yourself. Some stocks are going to be much larger winners than others, and some will be just like this, where we get 25, 30, 35 cents, and we go about our business on to the next trade. Some days we get 2 or 3 scalp trades, and some days we get 1, and from time to time we get none. Any way you look at it, it's a wonderful opportunity to learn how to do this for yourself. I'm giving you the tools where you have the ability to learn how to affect these trades for your own account. You learn exactly what to look for, how to trade them, and over time you become more and more successful with this strategy. I've been doing this a long time, and this is by far the single best day trading strategy I know of in the markets today. Come over to LazyGapTrader.com, check out the course. It's a wonder and a treasure trove of information. Don't take my word for it. Come find out for yourself. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Thanks for tuning in, folks.